Where you at? Where you at? Let's see. Box 5 TP. Ulta. What the hell? This isn't what I want. Here we go. Here it is, boys. That's what I was hoping for. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Upante Garage. So today, like you just seen, I picked up this package. And I'm really excited because I've been trying to figure out a way to mount a camera in the CRZ. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you've seen that I do have a Cusco Roll bar. And I've been looking for a mount to go onto it to use my phone. So let's open up this package. Come on, baby. Ooh. It actually does look the right size. So this is the RAM mount, and it's basically a universal mount for a ball mount. And I do already have a ball mount for my motorcycle, but hell yeah. Probably just put a little cushion here so it doesn't have so much vibe on it. And it should be golden. I'm gonna run zip ties to secure it so it's easily removable. Probably actually just use this thing. Just fold it up a few times, tape it. That way it's not direct metal to metal contact. Yo, let's get it. All right, so I had to go find this mount because I was fixing my bike and it wasn't on there, but that's how it works. And right here is the RAM phone mount that I have off my bike. It's a little old, but it'll do the trick. So basically, get this side off, slide this side on, and bam, there we go. This tightens up. I'm gonna zip tie this to my roll bar, and then that way I can just have my phone sit like that, hanging from the top. I'm doing this so I can have a pretty cool POV setup while I'm driving, and I'm pretty excited for that. I'm also gonna be using this instead of that bubble tape because it won't make noise, and I can just see this being a nice comfy mount. All right, here we are. But yeah, this actually looks pretty good. I don't know whether to put it over. Okay, that doesn't work. Maybe if we put it over here. I'm trying to wonder what the best mount would be. Does that even work with this here? It does. It's pretty cool. Maybe I should get multiple of these and just put them all over this thing. Except I wouldn't want a big old ball sticking out right next to my head. But yeah, this definitely works right here. All right, let's grab some zip ties and mount her up. Also, I still have a bunch of slaps, so if you guys want some dope Evo slaps that I drew up and had made into stickers, definitely hit that website down below to my big cartel. I got Evo stickers and CRZ stickers, and yeah. If you guys actually comment that you guys saw this video and that's why you're there, when you go and purchase it, I will throw in both stickers for the price of one. Just buy one and I'll put both. Hell yeah. We'll grab the zip ties. Here we go. Let's see if this is long enough to reach all the way around. It should be more than long enough, so awesome. All right, so I'm just running this zip tie through this hole and this hole. And these are pretty skinny too, so I'd say they're about less than 1/4 inch. This is the widest point available on here, so here we go. My bad if the video quality is kind of trash. go. We got one tooth. A lot harder than I thought. Probably because I'm using these super short. Oh, well, yo, and we can slide it still. All right, I'm gonna grab some, actually, it does move a little bit, but it doesn't move a lot, so. Let's see, adjust this guy. That's pretty sweet. Hell yeah. Just gotta tighten these up, grab some pliers. Hopefully it doesn't snap. Oh. Yeah, that's solid now. Still got some play, which is perfect. Got the ball. All right, let me go test what this looks like when I throw you guys on. Sorry about my hair, by the way. Let's check it out. How does that look? Let's try this 0.5. Yo. You can actually see my feet and the shift knob. So currently the car isn't drivable, but as you can see, you guys are mounted. If I move, jump around, let me see. We'll see how that looks and I'll see what I think. But I mean, I got the view that I want. And let me see, 2.0. Definitely get a 1.0 for driving. Definitely get a good view. Sliding it over doesn't seem like it causes any damage, and I can definitely get you guys right above me. Awesome. It is right next to my head, so maybe with the helmet on it'd be too close, but that works. We got a phone mount for the roll bar for POV driving. The only thing I'm really worried about is because the roll bar is bolted down to the chassis. I don't know if there will be vibe because I've recorded in the front and the camera's vibed, but we'll see. We'll see in a little bit. Once I get the car drivable, take you guys out for a test drive. All right, we are in the CRZ. We are gonna test how this drive footage looks. I just really want to know if it vibes a lot or not. It is nighttime, but we'll get the same. Oh damn, I don't have windshield wipers. All right, we're good. Move up a little bit. Stock sides for the win. All right. So we're on BC coils that are kind of blown. So if this works, definitely gonna take this mount out to the track. If this does not work, I'll be buying a DJI action camera just because, you know, I already tried GoPro. They just freeze up too much. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Bro, what is this? Why is it so vibing? Alright guys, this was not a success. It's just way too vibey, so I guess I'm going to be getting a GoPro or a DJI action camera, either or, but sorry I couldn't get you guys a cheap way to mount a phone to your harness bar. I'm just gonna go cut this short because it's just not what I was hoping it would be. Sorry if I disappointed any of you guys, but at least I saved you guys from purchasing this if this was an idea that you guys also had. But if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and support your boy. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Who does that, dude? What the? Why would you? Oh my. That dude literally slammed on his brakes because he was about to run a red light, slid into the lane,
in the middle of the section and ran the red light anyways.